Installation video for our heavy-duty dual monitor wall mount. Wood stud wall installation. Locate the stud. Using a stud finder, locate the stud inside the wall. Position the bottom wall bracket against the stud and use a level to ensure it is perfectly vertical. Mark the mounting hole locations. Drill pilot holes at the marked locations. Position the wall bracket over the pilot holes. Install the supplied lag screws and washers and tighten until secure. Concrete or brick wall installation. Position the bottom wall bracket in the desired installation location. Use a level to ensure the bracket is vertical. Mark the mounting hole locations. Drill the mounting holes into the concrete or masonry surface. Position the wall bracket over the anchors and install the supplied hardware and washers, then tighten until secure. Install the arm supports. Slide the support pole into the wall bracket and tighten the locking set screws until secure. Attach a cable management clip to the support pole. Slide a support collar onto the pole and tighten the Allen bolts at the desired height. Slide one monitor arm support onto the pole. Screw the top support pole onto the bottom support pole, then secure it in place with the locking screw. Then add the second cable management clip. Repeat the process for the second arm. Place the top wall bracket onto the top of the support pole, then use a level to ensure it is perfectly vertical. Mark the mounting hole locations, then remove the wall bracket. Drill pilot holes at the marked locations. Position the wall bracket over the pilot holes and install the supplied lag screws and washers. Attach the monitor arms. Install each monitor arm onto its mounting support and tighten the security screw. Install the VESA mount head using the required hardware and spacers as shown. Install the VESA plates. Start by removing the safety bolt from the back of the VESA plate and then removing the VESA plate from the VESA mount. Then install the VESA plate to the back of the monitors using the appropriate screws and spacers for your display. Mount the monitors. Lift the monitor and hook the VESA plate onto the VESA mount head. Once fully seated, tighten the locking screw. Repeat for the second monitor. Hold the arm in the horizontal position. If the monitor drops downward, rotate the spring tension adjustment screw counterclockwise. If the monitor rises upward, rotate the adjustment screw clockwise. Make small adjustments until the monitor remains balanced throughout its range of motion. Cable management. Run cables through the cable management channels on each arm, then slide the cable covers into place. Secure the cables using the cable clips installed on the pole. If the monitor's tilt is too loose, tighten the tilt adjustment screw by turning it clockwise. If the tilt is too stiff, loosen the screw slightly by turning it counterclockwise.